I was climbing the tree when I heard my nanny shouting, "Mat chad gir jayegi." But I didn't hear her. But I saw my other cousins who were supposed to follow me who didn't take courage to climb up the tree. Hi, welcome to day number 54 of 100 Days of Hope No Healing, where every single day we are working on raising our emotion, elevating our energy, and becoming an empowered version of us. And up till date 60, we are healing our inner child. During childhood, we may have heard elders asking us to be extra careful, to not climb the tree, not to jump, we may fall, we may get hurt. And over time, they try to protect us. But gradually, all this overprotection led us to find security and comfort more over the risk. It discouraged us to go little beyond our limits. It discouraged us to say play safe, and this not only stayed with us during the childhood to be extra cautious, to be extra careful, to double check the things, but eventually we carried this feeling, we carried this kind of attitude as we grow up. Don't you check for few things which are really important twice or thrice? For example, you're going out of the house and you check if you have locked the door appropriately or not. You lock it and you double check it. Or if you have switched off the gas, you go back and check whether you have switched it off or not. Or if you have to protect something or you have to keep something important at a location, you double check if it is being kept appropriately or not. So this extra cautious is okay, but it should not go to a level that it starts coming in our way to try different things. Because let me tell you, all the growth lies beyond the comfort zone. And more we try to take risks, more we try to take chances, there is likely possibility that we will find out the gifts that we have given, the strength we have, the skills we have, or the talent that we have. Let me tell you that all lies beyond what you think right now. And that's also what I discovered as I started to work on myself using Hope No. I actually covered a lot of aspects of myself which I was not aware of. I never thought I will be so comfortable coming on camera, speaking my thoughts, sharing my views, healing people. I would have never dreamt about it. But as I tried to try these things, as I tried to heal myself, as I tried to let go what all old beliefs I had been carrying, things started to change drastically for me. And I discovered the true personality that I have. So today, check with yourself. Where in your life are you being extra careful? Where are you not taking that small courageous step which is beyond your current comfort zone? And once you have identified, inhale, exhale, place hands on your heart and talk to yourself saying, "I'm sorry. I avoided all the risk. I avoided all the courage. Please forgive me for not letting you go beyond your current limitations. Thank you so much. There is a lot of potential in me which is waiting to be explored. I love you as all the potential, all the energy, all the positivity is always pushing me to go beyond the limits. And today I'm ready to acknowledge that, align that, and accept with that." Say this 7 to 8 times and afterwards say, "I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you" for 108 times, so that you instill this freshly found courage in you, that chance taking capability in you, which definitely will give you a lot of breakthrough in your life. Alright, with that we close day number 54. We'll meet again tomorrow on day number 55 with yet another practice. Till then, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. God bless you.